Oh, it's a monster. It's a monster. Yeah, we gotta get him. Oh! I dropped him. Oh! They're going.
They're going.
It's the glasses, folks. Look at Welcome back to the channel. It's Stevie B
and Dirty D.
And today we are celebrating, as you can tell, St. Patrick's Day. And we are out on the creek. We are at the Dirty E for some last chance steelhead fishing this year. We want to catch some fish. We're going to give it our best. And
so today for you guys, we have another game of horse. So first to 5 fish, first to spell lucky, gets the belt.
I'm taking the belt home today.
No. He still claims to be holding it. Absolute farce.
Well, listen, we'll see how it goes today. We're going to get out there and let's get some fish.
Let's go. If I had $1 for every time you fell. 2,000.
Oh. Didn't even want to set it. The
first cast.
The worst set job I've ever.
I was too busy thinking of a comeback line.
I don't even know how it's still on.
I was too busy thinking of a comeback line when you told me it was a terrible cast. Wrong yet again. You know what? You should tell me I have more terrible casts because I bury them all day. Weakest set. Well, I just like severely loosened it. Oh, I'm so nervous. Oh, really? He's moving though. I can't tighten it while he's going. Off the wall. We're not playing this game, pal. Are you on with the net?
Oh! They're going.
They're going. Boys are jumping today. Oh, I forgot. Hold on. I gotta. Come on. Jump again. Jump again. Yes. Hang time.
He's going.
I feel another one. Yeah, he is. He is none too pleased to be on my line. All right, that man could have had a chance there.
No. All right, that's all.
As you guys know, the net man's really good.
Do we think this is the only one you're getting today? All right, well, let him go.
What do you have to say for yourself?
I haven't even gotten in the water because I was too busy tying the line.
Classic. You're never in the water. I'm sorry. Maybe, you know what? Just give me 5 casts. Just stay out and we'll see what happens here.
I mean,
it'll be a real quick day here. Nice little quick episode. The short cast is absolutely the way. Well, you sit on it every time.
Dude, don't do this.
Is that a fish? Dude, they're so short. It's a
brown. That's a brown trout.
I was like, this has to be the worst set of all time. It's so small. Should we bring this to Yellow Creek?
Yeah.
This is like Yellow Creek size.
Yellow Creek.
That's a little baby guy.
That's wild. Oh, brown trout.
Show him off. Guys, I think we should stock him at Yellow Creek. That's like roughly the size of the monster browns that we get. I thought we came here for the big boys today, but I guess not.
It's not. My date and time. Oh, I got one. Dude,
what?
Your rod is hanging out. I can't set it up.
It's 10 feet long. What do you want me to do?
Okay. Well, if you're not in the water, can you just Move it off the water. You gotta give it to them. They're feisty. Well, happy St. Patty's Day. Little. Ew. Total and utter jack piece here. Ready? Let them go.
Biggest one of the day for you. Give us a hold here.
Oh.
Never mind. Oh, nice grab. And never mind.
I'd let it go all the way back too. I might have to also throw on a spinner here. There it is. Fish.
Oh, I see him.
Dude, he was on.
What do you mean he was on?
Well, I didn't think he was on, then I just lifted up. They're still in here. No, go down this way. This way's easier. Tied up and I have the kicker. Because it's way bigger. Because it's infinitely bigger than your brown. You're right, it is so much harder to get those here. Oh, this is a big one. Yeah, he's trying to spit it like a G. Oh, yo, he's taking me everywhere. Oh, it's a monster. It's a monster. Yeah, we gotta get him. Oh! Oh, he's gone. I know, yeah. Oh, it's a monster. Yeah, I can't lose this. This is a big one. This could be the biggest of the day. He barely hit. He didn't even take the bob rounder. He didn't even take the bob rounder. Like, oh, it's an absolute horn. Oh, come on. Yeah, this is a complete horn here. The duck. Yeah, it's a fatty. Oh, there's a guy down there. Oh, we need a net job here.
I'm stuck in the mud.
Oh.
This is the sticky mud.
Oh yeah. This is definitely. Oh no! Oh, I see. Oh, that's a pig. Yeah, that's up there with the biggest ones we caught. That's a huge.
I mean,
What?
I wouldn't go that far.
What are you talking about?
The biggest ones we've caught. Dude, he also is like missing his fin.
Okay, yeah, definitely not one of the biggest ones we caught.
Yeah, I was like, slow your roll. I'm like, that's insulting to my fish.
Yeah, it is. It's long though. Ready? I dropped him. Missed him.
I got it. Sort of. It's all tied up here. LU.
LU. LU. We're at the bridge with LU. Here we go. Who sees, you know, we don't know what's going to happen here.
Oh, this is yours, isn't it? Yeah. It's so loose. Ew, you put the old reel back on. Oh.
Oh, we have no net either. Oh, you gave him slack. Oh, she's got one. It's the glasses, folks. Look at the glasses.
Oh, that was a lot. That's real tight. Oh, yeah, we don't have the net. In my mind, I was like, this is fine. We're fine. Well, we're gonna need to touch them up then.
I think we're doing crooked today.
I'm gonna go ahead and call them in.
Yeah. That's a freshie. That's a nice freshie. Still on the smaller side, but...
Little hold?
Yeah.
Or can we...
I broke it.
That's fine. It was literally 2 casts, you fair weather fan.
Yeah, and we saw it. The first 2 casts you caught fish. Like, we know that's the case. Oh, that's a nice feeling.
L-U-C-K, L-U-C-K. He feels... Oh. You know Thrasher and Prancer and... He is. Yeah, but it was funny because I went with Thrasher. Get it? See what I did there? See what I did?
Oh, he looks big. Oh, no, that's a different one.
Yeah, he just kicked somebody else out. That's not me.
That's a completely different one.
Did he get off and now I'm stuck?
Yep. That was him. For some reason, they're just all huddled in the same tiny little area. And if you don't get it back through there... Plus, I think it's hard for them... I think it's harder for them to see it than we think. Like, you have to put it... Oh, there's one. Got him. Oh, no. Oh, no, I tightened it. It's tight. Oh. I mean, they're not happy. They're not happy with us.
I told you, I'm just giving you the opportunity.
Look, they're like, he's moving.
Watch that apparent log that's right there. I think that's my guy.
You think so?
That's what I'm telling myself.
We'll find out. He'll have a broken hook in his mouth if that's the case.
Not in yet. No touch up. All right, he's in.
We get a touch up from the crowd here.
He's in.
That's why I didn't want you to grab it, because you let him off and it went directly to my skin. Oh, there it is.
Lose it. I don't know where you're backing up to. You tell me not to back up, and yet there you go.
Well,
You did the same thing on the last one, too.
how many fish are in there? I just don't get it. Oh boy. These are all freshies, dude. Elk doesn't have any freshies. Crooked at least has fresh boys. Is this K?
Yes, this would be you taking me.
Oh, look, he has bullet holes in him. Look at the side of his face. Yeah, he's disgusting looking. Look. Look, I barely got him. I barely hooked him.
All right, enough screwing around here, folks. Stevie B just took the lead with my rod. Yeah, you're like, I think you should wear this one. And I was like, why?
I thought it was a bow.
If there's one thing that I really don't like.
Oh! Smoked it. Literally out of nowhere. This is it.
You have to lose them.
I could. He's under. Oh, he's got me. I'm snapped. Oh, popped it. Popped it.
Good.
The bird's hook off.
Good, good, good. Let's go here, Team Dirty D. The fish knew that they didn't want to give Stevie B the belt there. It's any man's game unless I keep getting snagged on this piece of nothing over here.
Even though I'm pretty far back and you guys probably can't see me, I look like an ant on there. I'm winning. L-U-C-K to L-U-C. I mean, we've missed a lot. It's not good in terms of like, she could have won, I could have won. I broke off the last one that I would have won on, but you know, we're gonna keep plugging. I gotta get one more here real quick to throw the belt back on the shoulder and call it a day for St. Patty's. Let's get after it.
You think that was one?
That's one.
No! Did you lose him? Did you lose him?
No, can you help me?
With what? What am I supposed to do?
Oh my gosh, he's on. I can't believe it. What is going on? I broke it. Look, he's on the rod. Get him though. Here. We gotta get him. We can't let him. Look, he's on this. You know, he's stuck on the bobber. So if we hook the bobber. Got him. And this is only because he was stuck in the tree. This only counts because, no, we just broke the bobber off of him.
All right, Stevie B, give me the triple egg job here. Let's check, see what we can do. Gotta get back in it. Need one.
There it is.
Ugh, I'm a big first cast kind of guy.
It wasn't a good step.
Shut it. Big first cast kind of guy. You gotta get out there and be ready to touch it up.
Look, this could tie for her.
Need it. Absolute.
Oh, it's a big one. Oh, it's huge.
Well, is this like a huge,
big.
like your other one was huge?
This looks pretty big. This looks pretty big. You gotta get this.
No net. I'm worried about him hitting these rocks though. I'm kind of reeling against the drag. He looks old. He looks. Come on.
Get him over there.
If I clear these rocks, it's a touch up.
He's good.
Oh, there's this precarious tree branch.
Tighten it up and back him. Try to get him in the shallow. Like, can you pull him up over? Got him. Okay, go, pull. Pull him this way. I mean, this guy, he's just not, no, get him this way. Turn your rod that way.
Eyes.
There, you see, you got him in the shallow. Oh!
Move, just move.
You got him, yes.
You know what? We will take a generous second cast, people. Oh yes!
I knew it.
Oh, he's. Oh, there's no chance.
Go down.
There's no chance. There's no
Point your
chance.
rod down. He's coming. You got him. Point your rod down. Now.
I don't know where he is. I don't like. Am I past that? He's all the way down there. I think I'm past it. Yeah. Yes. I'm reeling against the drag. I don't care. Yes. He smoked it. Like he almost ripped the rods out of my hands.
I knew there had to be something.
Smoked it.
Crooked seems to be. Oh, it's nice. It's a nice one.
I almost tightened it as he was going.
Don't do it. Okay, yeah, back. You're doing good. Angle your rod tip this way.
Where?
That way, into shore. Yeah, there you go, there you go. Because that guides his head. I'm gonna, yeah, he's in. That's in, he's in. There it goes.
Lucky number 5, he's fresh. Little fresh dog. And just like that, people, Dirty D retains the belt.
There you go.
Winner, winner. Another belt for dinner. Lucky Charms for dinner. You'll love to see it. The people at home love to see it. I love to see it. Even Stevie B, he won't admit it, but he loves to see it.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Oh, you smoked him.
He smoked me. How nerve-wracking under that branch, though.
Yeah, he swam back through, though. He gave you the out. Oh, you barely had him, too.
He knew he had to come home with me.
All right, let him go.
Lucky Charms. They're after me, Lucky Charms, folks. That's another Dirty D win. All belt, all 2024. I mean, it's the holiday special. I'm lucky. What can I say? No, I'm talented. That's what it is. Stevie B got a little lucky today. I don't want to say ran it up on me, but took the lead for a hot sec there. Really had the chance. Victory in hand at least 3 times. Blew it, as you know he does. Coming out with another Dirty D win. Another big belt for me, holiday win. What more did you guys expect?